Have you ever wondered how our solar system came into existence? Join us on a journey through time as we unravel the captivating story of its evolution, from cosmic dust to the birth of planets. Here's the list of topics we will cover today. You can pause and read, and without wasting more time, let's get started with topic number 1. The Primordial Nebula. Our story begins billions of years ago, in a vast cloud of gas and dust known as the Primordial Nebula. This cloud, remnants of previous stellar generations, was the cradle of our solar system. Under the influence of gravity, the nebula began to collapse, forming a spinning disk. Topic number 2. Planetesimal formation. Within this disk, tiny particles of dust began to collide and stick together, forming larger bodies called planetesimals. Over millions of years, these planetesimals grew in size through countless collisions, eventually becoming the building blocks of planets. Topic number 3. Birth of the planets. As the solar nebula continued to evolve, the densest regions gave rise to the inner planets, while the outer regions formed the gas giants. Through a process known as accretion, these protoplanetary cores attracted more and more material, eventually becoming the planets we know today. Topic number 4. The role of planetary collisions. But the formation of our solar system was not without its violent moments. Collisions between protoplanets and planetesimals played a crucial role in shaping the planets and their orbits. One such collision gave birth to our moon, a cosmic companion that has witnessed the entire history of Earth. But well, that's a topic for another video. Comment down if you want to see. Topic number 5. Earth, a habitable oasis asterisk. Among the planets, Earth stands out as a jewel of the solar system, a habitable oasis teeming with life. Its perfect distance from the sun, coupled with its protective atmosphere and liquid water, make it an ideal haven for life to thrive. And here are some additional topics I think can help you understand the video better. The Late Heavy Bombardment asterisk. During the early stages of our solar system's formation, there was a period known as the Late Heavy Bombardment, which occurred approximately 4.1 to 3.8 billion years ago. This era was characterized by a significantly increased rate of asteroid and comet impacts on the inner planets, including Earth, Mars, Venus, and Mercury. The Late Heavy Bombardment is believed to have been triggered by gravitational disturbances caused by the migration of the gas giants, particularly Jupiter and Saturn. These disturbances destabilized the orbits of small bodies in the outer solar system, sending them on trajectories that led to collisions with the inner planets. The impacts from this bombardment played a significant role in shaping the surfaces of these planets and may have also influenced the development of early life on Earth. The Kuiper Belt and Oort cloud asterisk. The Kuiper Belt and Oort cloud are two regions beyond the orbit of Neptune that are home to vast populations of icy bodies, including comets. The Kuiper Belt is a relatively flat and dense region of space located just beyond Neptune's orbit, extending from about 30 to 55 astronomical units (AU) from the Sun. It contains numerous small, icy objects, including dwarf planets like Pluto, as well as comets with relatively short orbital periods. In contrast, the Oort cloud is a spherical shell of icy bodies surrounding the solar system at distances ranging from 2,000 to 200,000 Australian dollars from the Sun. This vast reservoir of comets is believed to be the source of long-period comets that occasionally enter the inner solar system. The Kuiper Belt and Oort cloud are remnants of the early solar system's protoplanetary disk, and their study provides valuable insights into the processes that shaped the formation and evolution of our solar system. The role of the Sun asterisk. The Sun plays a central role in the formation and stability of our solar system. As the primary source of heat and light, the Sun governs the orbits, temperatures, and compositions of the planets and other objects within its gravitational influence. During the early stages of the solar system's formation, the Sun's gravitational pull played a crucial role in gathering gas and dust from the surrounding interstellar medium, leading to the formation of the protoplanetary disk, from which the planets eventually coalesced. Additionally, the sun's radiation and solar wind have a profound impact on the atmospheres and surface environments of the planets. For example, the solar wind interacts with planetary magnetic fields to create magnetospheres, which shield planets like Earth from harmful cosmic rays and charged particles. The sun's energy also drives weather patterns, atmospheric chemistry, and climate dynamics on Earth and other worlds. Overall, the sun's influence extends far beyond its immediate vicinity, shaping the characteristics and evolution of the entire solar system. And so, the story of our solar system continues to unfold, a tale of cosmic evolution, planetary dynamics, and the enduring quest for understanding. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the wonders of the universe. Until next time, keep looking up